I just arrived at the airport. I am headed to Jamaica to see one of my friends get married, and my plan is to vlog, so let's see how this goes. Every time I travel, I thank God for Richmond Airport because I don't feel like I ever get overwhelmed there. We had a smooth flight down to Atlanta, and then from Atlanta, we went to Jamaica, and it was very smooth, beautiful. Even arriving and navigating their airport wasn't bad at all. I think I just have bad anxiety from the Atlanta airport. I hate that place. Honestly, it's too much. But anyway, we arrived in paradise. This was my second time staying at this resort. The last time I was here was July of 2024. One of my other friends got married here, and I, was showing the footage and everything of this resort. So my friend that's getting married this time was like, hey, give me the wedding coordinator and planner's information. I think we want to get married there too. And I am not mad that I had another opportunity to come back to this place. So this was my room. Sandals Resorts overall is typically more like a couples themed, like romantic getaway. But I did stay by myself, and it was lovely. I enjoyed it. I was telling everyone, I have stayed at a lot of all-inclusive resorts, and sometimes the quality of the services, the food, the rooms, like it could be hit or miss, even if it's quote unquote a luxury brand or a luxury resort. But this resort in itself made me fall in love with the Sandals brand because the attentiveness, the cleanliness, the different options for food, this spa. I actually had 2 different spa services while I was here. I ended up doing a 90-minute massage, and then I also did the scalp massage with deep conditioner. Amazing. Put me to sleep. But yeah, this was one of my favorite restaurants here at the resort. It's called Odessa, and I was there every single morning. A lot of people go to the buffet, and that's good, but that place to die for. Then there was the Jerk Hut and just go visit, y'all. But enough of me talking. Go ahead, check out this video, look at the views, and if you have any questions about this resort, specifically Sandals or just travel, let me know down below.